Shandong Deren Steel Structure Prefabricated Intelligent Manufacturing Co., Limited. Accumulated years of experience in the steel structure industry. Possessing construction projects. Possessing general contracting qualification for steel structure engineering. Has been recognized as an innovative small and medium-sized enterprise, possessing multiple certificates and honors. The company's business covers steel structure buildings, steel structure factory building, special shaped steel structure reinforcement, and steel structure roof renovation, specially designed for property owners, general contractors, steel structure peers, etc. Provide steel structure engineering planning, integrated design and construction services. Support one-stop construction for civil engineering, steel structure, and exterior walls. Truly stand in the customer's shoes. Eliminate the cumbersome intermediate steps. Improve the efficiency of project construction. Save time, effort, and worry for property owners. To better meet customers' various needs for steel structures. The company has its own design team of over 10 members. The processing and manufacturing team comprises over 80 members and 5 cooperative design institutes, a total of 200 engineering cases across the country. Deren Heavy Steel is willing to advance hand in hand with you. With our steel-like backbone, we will build the foundation of a strong nation together with you.